Let's take a look at this shrinking scenario. And we're not talking about laundry.
Hey doctors, my boyfriend whenever he gets in cold water, his, stuff gets really small. We were just wondering if there's a problem, if it's a medical condition, or if he needs to see the doctor.
Yeah, it was just really cold, Doc.
That is such a common question, and we have someone special to help us answer it. Urologist Dr. Aaron Spitz. Welcome to the show, Dr. Spitz.
Thank you.
Before we get into the technical answer here, I want to just demonstrate for you ladies what can happen to the male penis. I've got a little expandable toy here, okay? Beautiful woman, cold water. Well, if the woman is really beautiful, it can stay that way in cold water too. But
That's right.
Cold water, beautiful woman, a breeze, cold water. It really does. When you get into cold weather, there's a lot of shrinkage that happens, even if beautiful women are around. Uh-oh, what are you going to do with that?
Okay, and what's this? You can't push it in? That's called Viagra.
But why in the world do men shrink
Well, I'll tell
in
you.
cold weather?
It's a matter of survival. Okay? Absolutely, it's a matter of survival. You see, we have these nerves called sympathetic nerves, which respond to stress, and they protect us when we're under stress. And cold is a stress. And when our body feels cold, those nerves kick in, shunting all that blood out of, say, our fingers, our toes, and our penis.
So if you're running from that tiger back to the fight or flight mode, you don't really need your penis for much right there, right? Yeah. I mean, I'm just being honest.
We're out here just trying to raise awareness of why it happens and make sure everybody knows it does happen.
You know what, really, this is an important concept, though, for women. That whole fight or flight vasoconstriction that occurs, which is sort of what happens when you're in cold weather, which is the opposite of what needs to happen for a man to have an erection, which is the nervous system, we call it the rest and relax, the parasympathetic nervous system. So that's why also, I hate to say it, ladies, if you're sitting there, you're pressuring your man, saying, come on, grow, grow. The last thing, we're going into our fight or flight mode because we're embarrassed.